Ever feel like you're squinting at pixels like you're editing photos or watching movies through a dirty window? You know you need an upgrade, a 4K monitor, but your wallet is screaming in protest. What if I told you that you can get stunning crystal clear 4K resolution without breaking the bank? In this video we've tested dozens of panels to bring you the 5 absolute best budget 4K monitors of 2025. We're not just talking about cheap screens, we're talking about hidden gems that punch so far above their weight class you won't believe the price tags. One of them is so good it actually made me angry. Stick around to find out why. Let's get into the list. Starting at number 1. BenQ MOBIUZ EX321UX. The best 4K monitor we've tested is the BenQ MOBIUZ EX321UX. It's a premium 32-inch display with mini LED backlighting. This helps the monitor display deep blacks next to bright highlights with its local dimming feature enabled, but it's not perfect, as there's haloing around bright objects. Regardless, it delivers an impactful HDR experience as it gets incredibly bright and displays a wide range of colors. It has good picture quality even in SDR thanks to its accurate sRGB mode, but it has a low contrast ratio if you don't use the local dimming feature. It has some gaming features with a 144Hz refresh rate that's high enough for most gamers, unless you're a competitive gamer who craves high refresh rates. Its HDMI 2.1 bandwidth also allows the monitor to support most signals for gaming consoles, including 4K up to 120Hz. Gaming feels responsive thanks to its low input lag, and its response time is consistently fast across its refresh rate range, but there's still some blur with fast-moving objects. Besides gaming, the monitor is versatile for work thanks to its USB hub that includes DisplayPort Alt mode and a KVM switch, and its 32-inch screen is big enough for multitasking. Number 2. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM. If you want a 4K monitor mainly for gaming and you're looking for the best overall performance, you should go for an OLED with its deep blacks and sharp motion. If you're interested in that, check out the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM. It's a premium 27-inch, 240Hz QD OLED monitor with much better picture quality than the BenQ MOBIUZ EX321UX. It displays perfect blacks in dark rooms with no haloing around bright objects, which gives it an advantage over the BenQ. Small highlights also stand out in HDR, though it isn't as bright overall as the BenQ. Additionally, it has fantastic motion handling with virtually no blur. The main difference between the BenQ monitor and an OLED like the ASUS is that OLEDs risk burn-in with constant exposure to the same static elements over time. This can be problematic if you're constantly, and only, using the monitor for work. If you're changing things up, including gaming, you would benefit from an OLED like the ASUS. It even has some productivity features, like a USB-C port and a KVM switch, making it easy to change sources, like if you have a work laptop and a gaming PC connected to the monitor. Number 3. Dell U2725QE. While the monitors we've recommended so far are premium displays, they cost a lot. If they're out of your budget but you still want premium features, look into the Dell U2725QE. If you can't find it through online retailers, you can get it directly from Dell. It's a 27-inch monitor like the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM, but the main difference is that it doesn't have an OLED panel, so it's a clear step down in picture quality. Colors aren't as vivid, and it doesn't display the same deep blacks either. It has a decent native contrast ratio thanks to its IPS black panel, but it has a terrible local dimming feature that actually makes the contrast ratio worse in HDR. This is the trade-off you have to make for a lower-cost monitor, but it focuses on work features and not HDR picture quality. This is because it comes with a massive USB hub that includes 5 USB-A ports and 5 USB-C ports. It supports Thunderbolt 4 and 140W of power delivery, so you can connect even power-hungry laptops, like MacBooks, and charge them with one cable. It also has a KVM switch, allowing you to easily switch between devices and use the same peripherals on both. Number 4. ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV. If the Dell U2725QE is too much out of your price range, you can save some money by getting a lower-end option, like the ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV. Although it's another 27-inch monitor that's focused on productivity, there are some clear trade-offs versus the Dell. It has a smaller USB hub, so you can't connect as many devices to it, and it doesn't have a KVM switch or support Thunderbolt either. It also has lower power delivery over USB-C, but this only makes a difference if you have a really power-hungry laptop. It still has 3 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports, including DisplayPort Alt mode to display a signal from a laptop. It's a great monitor for work because of these features, and it still has some useful perks if you're a content creator. It has different picture modes for various color spaces that you may work with, including DCI-P3 and Rec. 2020. It displays a wide range of colors, and it's very accurate in its sRGB mode. However, it has limited overall picture quality because of its low contrast ratio and muted highlights, so it's not a good choice for editing HDR content. Number 5. Dell S2725QS. If you're looking for the best budget 4K monitor, there are some good options you can choose from, like the Dell S2725QS. The biggest trade-off for getting this instead of the ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV is that the Dell doesn't have a USB hub, so you can't connect devices directly to the monitor, and you have to make sure your computer has enough ports available. You can also look into the Dell S2725QC if you want an entry-level 4K monitor with a USB hub, but it usually costs more. Regardless, the S2725QS has everything you'd need in a work monitor, like wide viewing angles and an extremely ergonomic stand that makes it easy to adjust. It even has a dedicated sRGB mode that's very accurate before any sort of calibration, but like the ASUS, it has limited picture quality in HDR because it doesn't display a wide range of colors. And there you have it, the 5 monitors that are genuinely going to change your setup without emptying your bank account. My personal daily driver from this list is definitely the mention your number 1 pick, e.g. Model X. The value is just insane. Ready to upgrade your view? All the direct links to check the latest prices and models for yourself are waiting for you down in the video description. If this guide helped you find your next perfect monitor, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps us out. Know someone else building a setup on a budget? Share this video with them. And for more straight talking tech reviews and guides that actually save you money, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.